Okay, so just wanted to do a quick demonstration of some exciting work that's been going on in the labs in July related to improved user engagement in the responding experience. So I'm going to hand that over to Keith to introduce the project, and then we're going to see a demo from Jake. So go ahead, Keith.
Thanks, Dale. So, hi, everyone. Today we're introducing what we've been working on, which is reaction emojis. So, we all have messaging apps, whether it be Messenger or WhatsApp, and probably in your app, you've seen reaction emojis on some of your messages. We often see a heart to describe that you like or love something. You might cry laughing at a funny joke, or put in a smiley face as a conversational tool, or to show that you're in a good mood or that you like something. And so we want to add this experience, which is very intimate or conversational, to our rival messaging platform as a way to get people engaged or to have some fun in their conversations. We want to implement this in a way that can be reactive by using our thoughtfulness scores and our tone detectors to put the right emojis in at the right place and for the right people. We want to reward people giving thoughtful answers and that are really engaged with our community. So I'm going to pass it off to Jake, who's been working hard on this, to show us how it works.
Thanks so much, Keith. Here, I'll just present real quickly. All right, so let's just get right into it. So how do you feel about Canada's performance in the Paris 2024 Olympics so far? I don't know. How do we feel? I think we've been feeling good. Has been doing great. And there we go. Right away, you can see the confetti comes up and an emoji based on the tone that we wrote in came up. So next, we're going to go, what's your favorite sport which to watch at the Olympics and why? For me, I love surfing. So I'm going to answer surfing. I love to watch. And again, see, you can see it recognized that I loved it and it responded with a heart-esque emoji type. And then lastly, we're going to look at this. So if you had to compete at the Olympics, which event, I mean, like I just said, I love to watch surfing. So I would love to participate in a surfing event. So like to participate in surfing events. And there you go. You can see it reacted with that and then along with the confetti. So that's just kind of a quick demo of what we've got going on here.
Awesome, Jake. That's super cool to see. Just a couple questions from my desk. Did you say that we're dynamically evaluating the response to the open end, and then the AI is selecting an appropriate emoji to drop on that response? Is that what's going on?
Yeah, exactly. So what ends up happening is every time the user responds to the question, the response is fed to an AI model trained to take in this input, evaluate the thoughtfulness, the tone, etc., and then is given a library of emojis to select from and chooses the most appropriate one based on the context.
Oh, nice. Okay, cool. And then one other question: it's cool to see the animation, the fireworks. I'm assuming that that's a setting you could turn on or off depending on how you wanted to use this feature. Is that a fair assumption?
Yeah, there's a lot in the settings page we're going to be working on. So for sure, fireworks will be something that can be on or off, even just for demoing purposes. And a reaction doesn't have to happen at every single response. It's something that the user can toggle on or off depending on whether or not they want that for that question.
Okay, makes sense. And a question for you, Keith. So what would be next for this work? It seems to have you've made some good progress here. Do you have any ideas about how you could take this even further?
Yeah, definitely, Dale. We are looking to try to refine this algorithm to make sure that we're reacting in the right places, in the right way, and to create these genuine experiences. And as well, you've noticed the confetti, it's kind of shooting out from the screen. We're thinking of other ways that we might do this, like crying emojis raining down from the screen, or something more exciting that we can do. So we'll experiment in those domains and try to create something more refined and more ready for production.
So these full screen animations are cool. So just beyond the actual reaction itself, you guys are working with some full screen animations. So in the past, we've sort of talked about having, a Halloween theme chat or, this or that. And you could imagine using not just emojis, but perhaps graphics in certain kinds of situations. So some of the principles you guys are exploring here would apply to that, I'm guessing.
Yeah, we've implemented some libraries that are really useful for these animations and fun moments. And so we're going to be experimenting with, maybe some Halloween animation coming on the screen for Halloween, or maybe some fireworks at the end of a chat to congratulate someone for finishing a survey, or even for a person who wins a sweepstakes. So lots of opportunities there. Stay tuned.
Awesome. Thanks for the update, guys, and the demo, Jake. Great work. And as usual, everybody, stay tuned for more updates on how we're doing with bringing this particular innovation to the market. Thanks, guys.